V98 ULT. Got Valerie today, one of the Toyotas. So it's kind of funny because I wasn't able to like leave the house yesterday, and not by choice. It's just like, honestly, like I was trying to like head with some friends somewhere and everything, but then I started having stomach problems. Not necessarily, I don't know if it was because of what I had on Sunday watching the Super Bowl, but who knows? Either way, I said this on X. Congratulations to the Seattle Seahawks for winning against the Patriots. But props to the Patriots, though. I'm not a fan of the Patriots, but they played really good on Sunday. But the reason why I don't have the van started up yet is because today, my shift starts at 6:30 and it's right now 5:43. So I won't be able to start the van up for another 17 minutes. But once I can, I'll basically start it up and then we'll see how the day goes. Now I can open the trunk like I do in my vlogs. It's a little bit past 6 a.m. right now and already got passengers in my queue. So, like, honestly, I was taking care of some stuff in the car and everything, but let's get started. 6:42 and basically I was able to finish 2 separate shuttle runs. Like sometimes there are cases where the passenger wants you to go up further where you're going anyway and everything, and I only allowed that. And like paraphrasing, he's like, it's cold, man. And he was nice about it though. I just want to clarify that. So it's kind of funny. What I hate about starting like in the middle of like the queue starting is the fact that you don't have time to like do the pre-trip inspection because you already got passengers in your queue. So basically right now I gotta do the pre-trip inspection if I want to be able to take care of everything else, make sure that I don't get in trouble with VIA and everything. Like, I love that I mentioned that, and then next thing you know, the car went into gas mode. That's the thing about driving these hybrids. Sometimes the engine could come on and off out of nowhere. When you hear the record scratch playing in my vlogs, that normally means that something happened. It's 8:45 right now, and I'm back at the lot. Only because, like, while I was driving, like, I was reaching a certain speed on the highway and everything, and then next thing you know, I started hearing rattling noises. Called them up and they said to just report back to the lot and they'll give me another van. And by the time they give me another vehicle, I'll probably have like about an hour left, but we'll see. So after playing musical vans for over a half hour, I am now reassigned to J96 VPH with another Toyota. The thing is, airbag malfunction. The passenger side tire is messed. The rear passenger side tire is messed up and everything. So, like, chances are I may not be able to drive this at all, or any vehicle for that matter. Like, what in the world? Like, I'm not mad because I'm getting paid, but at the same time, I'm like, I started this if I wanted a day where I don't get paid, like, make this like that time back in July, but this is a lot. Just going around and everything. I was hoping that I'd be able to drive one of the electric cars. 2 electric cars are having malfunctions. The other one's still covered in ice. Another is recharging over here, so I think it's being set up for another driver. Oh my god. I gotta say, props to the girl that's been on the phone with me, who is like really sweet and everything, but it's just something. They gave me a new van after an hour of driving and literally about a half hour left of my shift. I got honor roll, B73 UPZ, and yeah, they kind of need to clean her out a bit, but hey. Like, what's funny is I literally gotta pick up one passenger over by Journal Square, take them there, and then drive back. I may have only one passenger. I probably showed y'all in the text whether I did or not. But all I know is I am officially the crown champion of musical vans. Like, there are some champions in Seattle and some champions here. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so while I was doing the post trip, I almost tripped on some ice getting out of the van and everything. But, you know, I'm just happy that nothing was able to happen. Sorry for doing this slow move. Like, I wanted to open and shot for the video. And yeah, hopefully Valerie gets fixed right here. Like, she drove good. It's just, you know, with that rattling sound, I didn't want to take any chances. And yeah, I literally had just one passenger with honor roll. Oh my gosh, what a day. Like, the mornings, like, it was a shorter shift than normal. It's just playing musical vans, like, take a number on you. And now I'm hungry. Like, I'm literally just gonna probably go to Burger King or something and get myself something that could at least hold me over till dinner. Like, there's a soup that I was able to make last week that I have yet to try and everything, where, like, for context with the broth, instead of, like, throwing out, like, certain food scraps, like, banana peels, apple cores, and a few other things, like, I learned a little thing from a show called Struggle Meals, where basically, like, you just put all the food, like, basically into a pot, boil it up and everything, and then, like, you just have in a way pretty decent stuff, like pretty decent minerals and everything for a potentially, like, good meal. But that's sad. Oh man, I'm really tired right now, but either way, the day is done and we're gonna relax. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to come to work tomorrow because I don't have a shift as of yet and everything, because last week they the algorithm messed up with regards to early slot selection, which I wasn't able to grab. So hopefully a shift will become available tomorrow that'll fit my schedule and stuff, but we'll see. Friday, it looks like I'll have a 6 to 2:30 shift, and yeah, just a really confusing week, but hopefully it'll be good for next week. See y'all later.